guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Yo, today has been a very laid back day, lackluster. Just been having a vibe, you know, having conversations and stuff, chilling. I think that's what this place does, because all you're hearing is the continuous rush of the waterfall. So today is the first I'm going to actually be going down to that waterfall section to hold a swim. Yeah, and let's have a vibe. Probably catch the sunset at this moment, because it is getting a bit later right now. But this place is very beautiful. You guys need to check it out. It's called Benta River. Nice camping site, I would say. A lot of space to do different type of camping spots, and yeah, anyway, we're gonna head to the spot because Tiffany had explored this area and she's about to peel some pineapples, you know what I'm saying? So and that's good for the Oh, I was wondering, like, why are we going that way, right?
I've been here before.
Vanilla is leading the way. Oh, my favorite thing to see is the sun rays hitting the leaves, and you tend to see that a lot. Sunrises and sunsets, it's different at that time of the day. Property is so big, right?
It's very big.
Very big.
Very big. Wow.
So, ooh. Ooh.
I think this is the only place you can really swim the, like, further down.
Yeah.
Current is really
strong.
Really strong.
Yeah. I love this place. Fun fact, in the morning when you wake up, it's like your ears, like, they turn back on to actually hear the waterfalls. It's kind of strange. It's like during the night you mute out the noise, and then as you wake up, it comes back. It's kind of strange. And then another thing, sometimes you're hearing the falls and you think that it's about to rain, right? Do you agree? Yeah, same exact. That happened to you too?
I feel like that.
Yeah, it's strange, but beautiful place. Beautiful, beautiful place. Look at that, guys.
I put my stuff over there, and I went here, and I went over there.
I like this. How deep is it?
It's not that deep.
How strong is the current? Is it a strong current?
The current right here is not strong, but further up it's really strong.
Okay.
I went under the little waterfall up top. You gotta spray up now.
But the mosquitoes are crazy.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're about to go in the water now. Yo, let me tell you, this looks really beautiful. It's like a little water hole kind of thing. It looks really good. So far the water temperature here has been pretty good. Pretty manageable. Come on, don't lie. It's been pretty manageable. I've had colder. Relative for you. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's not so bad. One thing though, mosquitoes are a thing here. Like, up by the campsite where we are, the mosquitoes aren't so bad, but like down here, it's crazy. How deep is it? Oh, so we can't, oh, okay. Oh, okay. What is that? Guys, it's beautiful here. The water is coldish, but you see me? Woo. Oh my gosh! You say you don't want to see another falls?
Not another fall.
Oh my gosh! So, funny story. Not really funny. So, Jilly and Tiffany were messing around at the edge of the falls. And then, only thing I heard was help or whatever. As I was like, I looked at it, but they were laughing, and they're like, "Yo, help!" And then whoop, down a little thing. Anyway, we say this to say this. At this place, you guys realize how rushy this river is. When it rains, you get out of the water because you don't play with the river any at all. And yeah, I mean it's a small falls, but still, that was. Yeah, it was kind of trippy for them. But we know Jilly's always there, devil. So, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna try to find the calmer parts of the river to explore. I mean, Tiffany already checked out quite a bit of it already. So, yeah. Is this where you were talking about? The falls? This is one? Okay, so that's one of the falls. Yeah, I find that there's not a lot of swimming holes here, like, you know, like any comfortable swimming places. Yeah, too rough. There, right there is worse. Like right off here, so deep and yeah, menacing. Yeah. Banana, if the water you check, you hit that. You coming? Huh? Be good. Stay. Yo, there's a lot. Yo, I never even knew that there was like this river here. You know, the Benta. Woo! Huh? Yeah. Yo, it's like all these rivers are connecting together. Like from river Deso, river over Deso. It's just like, yeah, one whole thing. Crazy. Huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. You next. She's like, nope. Whoa. It's pretty strong here. When did I get in our bubble bath? Yeah.
You nice?
Yeah. It's super nice. Oh, I was like, yo, where's Tiffany at? Yo, I said her and she was. Gone! What? Yo. Wow, look at the tree roots in the water. It's kind of like a little pool, yeah, so. Yeah, it's kind of a vibe. Definitely a little vibe. Yeah. I definitely want to come back here and try to experience some more stuff, because a majority of the time we were just chilling, isn't it? Just up by the tents a lot of times. You never really explore the falls much, but yeah, next time for sure, because a lot of like, huh? Cook? When I go back? Yeah. So Jenny's asking me if I'm going to cook. Yeah. So I'm going to make like a, I would say kind of like a Chinese barbecue, kind of like, you know, we're going to do it in the little rustic kitchen that they have there. So we're going to do that stuff and have some dinner, some mashed potatoes and some garlic butter, snow peas. Quick and easy, right? Whoa! It's deep! Right here is like, whoa! Whoa! Yeah, I'm holding on to a branch. It's not that bad.
For real?
Yes, there's like 3 whole, well, several. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get some pineapples.
Yes, I'm gonna feed you guys some pineapples today. I bought it.
beans. Oh my gosh.
Crazy, I go back at the same fall though, nearly.
That's a sugar loaf?
Yeah.
Sugar loaf?
Yeah.
I saw that in the supermarket, you know, they asked me. But I thought sugar loaf was a more like elongated at the top.
Some of them.
Some of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
What you know me can do? Me can do so? I'm putting it.
Organic, yeah.
Oh shit. Just too.
Tiffany, I realize you love pineapple though.
Woo! Yes, I do.
Yeah, that's right.
And then we go back down, we come up and we go back down again because the water, the current was
That was
clear,
intense, man.
Like that's what people feel when they know. When they say life flashes for you,
Yeah.
that was it.
It's good.
You go first, bring back your strength. Really? You go first, bring back your strength. Can I get a slice? Thank you. Yeah. Oh. Yep. So we are about to leave now. Yo, today was a very eventful day. Being here has been very eventful as well. So we're gonna do some cooking and some other points. I will come back here for sure. That's as definite once God's Spirit's life. And yeah, let's go. All right, so yeah, just took a shower just now. We are about to do some cooking. Right now I'm not really in the best of spirits. I think I'm a little bit exhausted. I just want to, you know, when I'm done with this trip, to have a great little sleep, just relax, watch some Netflix, cool stuff like that. Anyway, we just got the fire started just now. Waiting for it to build up, and then we can start with this cooking. All right, so in the pan we have some of the sauce that was made for the duck. Yo, that sauce, it's no joke. Sauce are really good, really good. But because we want most of the sauce and the thickness, we go stretch it. So we have some of the sauce left over, but we're going to use it in the final part. This is just to keep the meat moist. For those of you who travel to Jamaica, you know about the side beer, but it's still. Okay, so we never realized that Diddy gave us a whole lot of chicken, but I like doing my chicken this way. Either way, whether I cut up or not cut up. So I'll go do. I'm just going to spin around in this. Reason being, not trying to be fancy or anything like that. It's just that we don't have a brush. Yeah, so we just work it out. So roll around a little bit. And I'm saying get her wet, and then boom, drop her right over. Big burning wood then, is it? Bam. So we should bend up, sir. And then we go drop on the top of our grill. Just go and lock in some of the heat and some smoking. Welcome to our kitchen. So of course we don't have a brush. So I'll just make use of what we have in the kitchen here. Hold on, the chicken coming in nicely. We haven't even added the thick sauce yet. So, a good look. Alright, so we already started to coat the chicken with also Chinese sauce. Already coated the underside already. Just doing the top, finishing off the top. And yeah, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Now we can just cover it down a little bit, allow it to smoke.
It's weird.
It's good and it's great. There's something for food, rice, and off, red food, so that the bread can I would just hope that chicken that cook. I'm hungry. But okay, cool. I call this the leg and thigh.
Thigh, leg and thigh. Oh, you like?
Chicken for come with 3 leg and thigh.
Yes, I love leg and thigh.
3 leg, 3 thigh.
Leg and thigh. You want something now? You want to take my leg and take your ring? Right, take breast.
Yeah, but let's cut it so you don't give me all of the breast.
So tender. What's this?
Beans, snap.
This. Just put it in your mouth.
Garlic butter beans. Want sauce?
Found it?
Yes, please. Where's my phone? This looks too good. I'm sorry.
That's good.
Oh wow.
Tender that part.
It's not funny. But that tastes like a briny chicken first.
That's what it tastes like. It's brown.
Oh, $10.
Oh.
Tiffany. Sauces. Wow. What's this?
It's a ginger.
The ginger. Jesus. So nice. Sauce. How about both? What the best shit ever made?
What?
What the best shit ever made?
Put it. Jelly. Oh, the pot bottom.
Done.
Yeah, it's was good. We messed it up in like 24 hours. Kind of. Well, this part is the only one I said part. No win. Alright guys, so we are about to pack the van right now because it's the next day and we are about to leave. The dish last night was really good. I enjoyed my dinner. Yeah, when I get home, it's gonna be a long, well needed rest. I'm just gonna relax, you know, and get ourselves ready for the next couple of videos. We have some really cool content ideas that I want to bring to you guys pretty soon. But yeah, you guys stay safe. Remember, practice your social distancing, you know, take some relaxation because mental health is super important. And remember the 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.